Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the happy crafty homemaker. And today is the first unboxing for our new subscription box for review. I went with the Ashley Leitner collection or company. I can't remember which it is. Does it say on the back of the box, the shipping address? No, it's just got Ashley Leitner's information on there. For this, so we have two subscription box reviews coming up. One is every other month, so the first box will be December. One is every month, which is the Leitner box, and that will be starting from November, December, January. Doing a little something different here. So I'm not sure if I'm getting sick. If you watched my previous video that was filmed earlier this morning, it's now like 6 o'clock at night here. I filmed my Crochet Society final review box this morning and I was fine. Now you can see like my nose is turning pink and stuff. I think I'm getting another cold. I'm not sure though. It could just be allergies or where the barometric pressure like went crazy this morning. I have no idea. But I've been sneezing. My nose has been tickly and runny. I've been very thirsty all day. It's really weird. Really, really weird. So anyway, let's crack on with the box here. I did already open it so I could do a breakdown analysis of the box. And I have to say, I really like the yarn in this box for this month. Look at how beautiful that is. I mean, that is just absolutely stunning. So this is Turtle Bay. It's sport weight, 100% superwash merino, 328 yards, 100 grams. Look at how vibrant that pink is. I mean, that is just stunning. Yeah, Turtle Bay. And all the patterns and everything this month are Turtle Bay. Look at how pretty. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. When I unboxed, like I had no idea really what to expect. This box had decent written reviews, but nobody was very specific about what they liked or didn't like about it. This will probably be a box where I'm really going to find the money in the yarn, by and large. So the box, where's my sheet? The box that I got is $34 a month. Now she does have, I think it's 3 boxes total. One is the yarn, the projects, and the finishing touches for the projects. One is the yarn, the projects, and a wooden handled hook in neutral colors. And the other one is the yarn, the projects, and the wooden handle hooks in vibrant colors. This is my hook. And I do have to say, even though it's more of an autumnal color palette, it actually works with the yarn very nicely, especially when you're down on this end. So the aesthetic as a whole, I think, is absolutely beautiful. Now, I am going to try to use this hook for the project so I can review the hook and the yarn. But I am an overhand holder, and like I've said before, I pinch and use my pinky to guide, and I just let my other 2 fingers rest on the hook. So this might not be the best hook for me, but I do want to give it a really, really good shot. So, and it is gorgeous. So if for some reason these don't work for me, as with the Crochet Society hooks, I will be gifting them, or I will do a giveaway, or we'll see. We'll see what happens. So there's the yarn, the hook. There is a stitch marker in here somewhere. There we go. Turtle Bay is the theme, so we have a stitch marker. And we have a little butterfly button. Let's see, do it behind here. And that is to, I just realized I'm hitting my tripod here. just move the box out of my lap. That might make it easier. This is to finish the coffee cozy. And in every light, the lines on the butterfly look slightly different. Sometimes they look purple, sometimes they look black, so it could just be a blue-based black paint. And this is the card, Turtle Bay. I think I have everything covered on here. But these are the two patterns. The patterns are not pre-printed for you. She does give you information on how to get them, but we have another wrister set, and a mug cozy, which is very seasonally appropriate for November. I do appreciate things being seasonally appropriate. That's how I prefer things to be. But I'm a little weird like that, I suppose. So, I went out online and was trying to price wooden handle hooks. The price range is dramatic. They literally range from $15 to $100. So the bulk of them I can find individually purchased seem to be about $25. So I'm going to stick with the $25 price for the hooks for all 3 months. I will do some more research and come back and let you know, the Leither hooks, what they are individually, things like that, if you buy them on their own. But you can get very similar hooks from individual makers for around $25. And like I said, I mean, some of them are incredibly expensive. They get way up there in price just for the wooden handle hooks that have your choice of Susan bait or boy heads. This is more of a boy head, which is what I use, which I am really grateful for, because if that was a Susan Bates, plus I wasn't sure of the handle, I might not be able to use it. So the yarn, custom dye or independently dyed yarn, sport weight 100 grams, generally about $25. The hooks are about $25. Stitch markers about $5 each. In pricing the patterns, because y'all have asked that I do keep the pattern in consideration, I went out to Etsy and Ravelry to see what designers were selling their patterns at. I took 6 patterns and did an average, and they were just 6 at random from every page, or if there were 6 pages, I did 6. If there were 4 pages, I still did 6 patterns at random. And for mug cozies, $2. For wrist warmers, $4.75 was the average. So that being the case, the total value of this box is $61.75. I paid $34 for my box. So I'm definitely pretty happy about that. I really like the yarn. The patterns are okay. I did literally just get done doing a pair of wrist warmers for another subscription box. So, but they are an item I wear a lot. So I'm kind of excited to not get a cowl, which I don't wear very often, and get something like wrist warmers, hand warmers that I do wear frequently. So, excuse me, that is pretty exciting for me. I forgot to check the price of the box that doesn't come with a hook. I think that is $19. I'm not sure. I might have to go online and have that information for you later on. But like I said, you do have the option of with hook, without hook. I figured why not give it a go all the way across the board. So month 1, first impressions, I'm pretty excited. The yarn is squishy. I love the colorway. I like the patterns. They are what they are. They're not, I don't want to say they're boring, but they're not, for the yarn to be so dynamic, the patterns are simple, which is not always a bad thing, because it gives the opportunity for the yarn to be the focal point. So while that sounds like I'm being negative, I'm really not. It's just highly dynamic, good. I mean, it's solid. Beautiful hook. We'll see if it works for my handhold or not. And the stitch marker is always useful to have. So I would say month 1 is a success. I mean, that's paid $34, value $61.74. I mean, that's a between 40 and 50% savings. I'm okay with that. I will go ahead and math everything out when I do my final wrap up of this box. But I'm happy. So great start for the Leither box, or Leither box. I think it's Ashley Leither. That is an actual person's name. So I'm very happy for the Leither box coming out of the gate. I look forward to seeing what the next 2 months have. I hope you enjoy sticking with me as we go down this road. Next month we will have 2 unboxings because we should have my every other month box and the Leither box. All right, you guys, take care. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Love you guys.